Acquisition Price is a tool exclusive to MyGainGuru users that uses various product data to calculate the maximum price you can pay for a product you want to sell on Amazon. If you purchase the product above this maximum price, you will lose out by listing your product at a competitive price. Using this tool is very simple. Just put the ASIN number in the indicated field and click Calculate. The results show the basic information about the product, including estimated sales. Below the basic information are all the calculations you need, the maximum acquisition price and the fixed cost. We also show the Amazon listed price for comparison. Below that you have other pricing scenarios where you can check an estimated price performance with other acquisition prices. Thanks for using MyGainGuru. If you haven't yet, try our 10-day no obligation free trial.